Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a group chat on Twitter, so the X platform. It's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is grab your mobile device and head down to the X platform. Now from out here you want to sign into the existing account where you want to create a group chat on. Now once you've done that, you will see your Twitter feed, and from out there you want to go to the bottom right corner in the menu and open up the direct messages, the messages tab. And here you don't see the option to create a group chat, but what you can do, you can write a message, and right here you see create a group. Now what you want to do, you want to add people, so simply add all the people you want in this group, so your friends, your family, and from there you simply create a group and send messages with each other. Now it is easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.